Categories help you catalog your pages. If you are building a siloed site, you will need to use categories. But if you are going to be building a niche site, you will not need to use categories. To create a new category or to view existing categories, go to Posts, Categories. There's already one category here, Uncategorized. Any pages or posts that do not belong to any category are added to the Uncategorized category. You can change the name of the category by clicking on Edit. You will then see this Edit Category screen where you can rename the category. For the siloed mattress site, we need 3 categories: twin mattress, memory foam, and air mattress. Let's name this category twin mattress. The slug is the name of the category as it appears in the URL. You want this to be twin mattress as well. Leave the parent as none. The description is optional. Click Update and the changes are saved. Now, twin mattress is the default category. Any page that's not added to any other category when created will be put in the twin mattress category. Let's now create 2 more categories. To create a new category, you need to enter the name of the category, the slug, and click on Add New Category. Let's do that now. Now, these 2 new categories have been created, air mattress and foam mattress. If you need to delete a category, all you need to do is select this, choose delete and click apply, and the category will be deleted. In the next video, we will see how to add new pages. To add a new page, all you need to do is click this link, New, in this menu bar and choose Page. Or you can go to the Pages option in the dashboard and choose Add New. Choosing either of the options will bring you to the Add New Page screen. You need to enter the title of the page here. WordPress automatically creates a permalink or the URL for the page based on the title. Both the title and the URL need to be optimized, and they are very important. We will see how to do that later. This page attributes section is where you specify whether a page has a parent and the order of the page. If a page has a parent, then the page will appear below the parent page in the navigation. The order also determines where in the menu the page will appear. You enter the textual content of the page here. This is WordPress Visual Editor. You have options for bolding, italicizing, and more here. All of this is just like you would see in any other word processor. If you click on this last button here, it toggles another toolbar. Now you see more options. If you need to add media, you need to click this button. You can either upload files or choose them from the media library if you happen to have any files there. Once you have entered the textual content of the page and formatted it, you need to publish it, or you can save as draft by clicking this button. You can see what the page will look like once it's published by clicking the preview button. By default, the visibility is set to public. This means as soon as a page is published, anyone can access it on the internet. If you do not want that, you can set the visibility to private, or you can password protect the page. But since we are building an affiliate site, we want people to be able to see the page. So visibility needs to be public. You can either publish the page right away, or you can schedule it to be published at a later date. Let's publish this page. You can see the page by clicking on View Page. This is how the page will appear once it is published. You can see that there is no option for people to comment. If you want to change that, you can change the comment settings. You need to make sure the discussion settings have been chosen to appear in the Screen Options menu, and scroll down this page. If you choose to allow comments and update, if you see the page now anyone can post a comment. After making any changes, you need to click update, or else the changes will not be saved. By default, WordPress allows you to associate categories only with posts. You will not be able to add pages to categories. For instance, if you add a new post, you have this categories box which lets you associate this post with any of these categories. But this option is not available when you add a new page. There is no option here that will let you associate this page you are creating now with any category. But we are using only pages and not posts. So we will need to use a plugin to be able to easily assign categories to pages, just like we can do for posts. We need to add a new plugin. We will install this plugin, Add Tags and Category to Page and Post Types. We will install this now. We now need to configure the settings. We need to choose this option, Add Category to Pages. We need to save changes. Now, when we add a new page, we have this categories box here. You can specify which category to associate with the page you are creating.